Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm ecstatic because
I have a Sephora haul. I have a Sephora haul.
now I'm kind of sad because I bought some stuff from Sephora like probably 2 weeks ago, and I opened everything up and I used it. I didn't film it. So today I'm like, you know what? I am gonna film this stuff today because sometimes I get excited and I want to use my stuff and I don't want to wait to film it and so forth. So I was good. I used 2 things today when I was doing my makeup, and I'm going to show you guys what it was. If you guys are curious to see what on my face did I use from my haul today, stay tuned. So as I always say in my channel, if you guys want to know what I got in my Sephora haul, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so what should I start off with? Well, I guess I'll start off with what I have on my face today. So I did my makeup before I filmed. Obviously, I'm not going to just roll out of bed and start filming. I do my makeup before I film, like most people do. So I bought the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liquid Liners. So I used to have all of these colors. I collected them. I had every single color. I kid you not. But like most people, you buy stuff and you never use it. And then by the time I actually wanted to use them, they were dried out. These will dry out even if you don't use them. I can attest to that because, like I said, I had like 6, 7 of them. I had all the shades at one point. I think they redid the packaging a little bit from when I had them. But they were all dried out. So I literally had to throw them out. And I want to say I used them like once or twice. So I told myself, Aisha, don't get carried away and buy all the colors and all the shades. Even though you like all the shades, just buy 2. So I actually have one of the shades on right now. So let me bat my pretty lashes for you guys so you can see what I have on today. It'll be the eye model. Alright, you guys get the point. So I have on right now, this is called Glam Rock. And this is what she looks like. That's it right here, nice and sparkly. So how I did this is I did a black eyeliner on my eye and then I just put this on top. I used to work with a girl and she always used to wear these, so she actually inspired me to get this one. And she would do like black liner with the blue over, black liner with a green over. As a matter of fact, I probably should buy more colors. Oh my gosh, see, look, I can't, it's an addiction because I'm just thinking about like how pretty it always looked on her. Yes, I'm gonna go back and buy some more shades today. But this is what I have on now. I bought a clear one as well. This one is called Pyro. The box says it's called Heavy Glitter Eyeliner. And this is what this shade looks like. But yeah, she always had these on. It looks so pretty on her. And people would always say like, oh, I love your eyeliner. So I'm like, let me jump on this bandwagon, even though I used to have them way before probably her, because I'm probably a lot older than her. But nevertheless, let me start actually using them. So very, very pretty. Like I said, it's just black eyeliner and then you just draw it on top. Because if you just did this by itself, it would just be like a silver. But you want it to have a nice base. So I was just wearing a black liner under that. So that's that. I'm very excited for those. And then guys, I have been loving Fenty Skincare and body products. So I have a lot of everything you guys know already. unfortunately, I'm a makeup, skincare, hair care junkie, and I have a lot of stuff. You guys know this already, and most likely if you're watching my videos, you're the same way like me, so don't judge me. But I didn't get the full size of this body cream just because I have like probably 10 body creams right now currently that I own that's probably still new, that's not even used. Some are used, some are not, but like I don't need any full size of anything, but I just love how this smells. So I got the travel size. I don't know if you guys ever tried the body butter from Fenty. Oh my gosh. So this is a baby one because it's the travel size, but this is how it comes. And let me open it up for you guys. It smells so good. So good. Oh my god. Oh, jeez, it smells so good. I love it. Fenty, she's on the money with her products. So yes, I got this one, but they do have a bigger one, but like I never get to finish everything. So I need to start being smarter and getting travel sizes so that way like my products are not wasting. It's just I want to try everything. You know, you guys get it, right? You just want to try everything, and you know, I'm still on a mission to try everything, but like I still have to use my other stuff. So I've been trying not to buy full size and, you know, being smarter. So we'll see how that works out. Not that I need another primer, but I heard the rave about this milk primer for oily skin. I do have it on today. My skin is very oily. I just put it on my T-zone, like my forehead and my nose. I didn't do my whole face because I feel like, I know you're supposed to wear primers, but primers make me shiny. For the most part, most of them do. So I get nervous when I do primer under because I know my face is gonna look shiny like yesterday. So I have it on. I did my makeup probably 2 hours ago. My skin still looks matte, so we'll see. This is what she looks like. I'm loving the black chicness to this packaging. Smells a little minty. Like it definitely has a scent to it, which I normally don't like products that have a scent to it, but I don't think they have any fragrance in this, which is good because I don't like products that have fragrance in it. I can't put my finger on what it smells like, but I just checked the box. There's no fragrance because I break out easily. Anything that has fragrance in it, I break out in. Probably should have read the box first before I bought it because if it had fragrance, probably gonna break out tonight, but it doesn't smell like fragrancy. It just has like a scent, a strong scent. So it's not a chemical-y scent, so don't worry. So that's that. And then I have to do I'll let you guys know on an update if it kept my skin matte all day. My Benefit Brow Pencil. This is my OG Brow Pencil. I use the shade Warm Black Brown. And that's number 5 for my brows. I didn't use it today because I'm trying to finish up one that I have already that I'm using. But this is my OG and the only brow pencil that I ever buy. If you watch all of my Sephora hauls, you will see this is pretty much the only brow pencil I buy. Sometimes I buy them 3 at a time, 5 at a time, because you guys know what it's like where something's mechanical and you start using it and it's empty and then you have no product. So I always like to have a backup. So that's my backup because I do have one that I recently bought in that haul that I opened everything up and used and forgot to film it. I guess I was way too excited and I didn't even film it, so I apologize. As you guys know, Bite Beauty is going out of business. I'm so sad about it because I love their lip products. They're still keeping the Bite like lip studio. So if you guys want to get like your lips custom made, you can still go there and get it done. But all of their lip products are 50% off. So, or all of their products in general are 50% off. So if you want anything from them, I would buy it in bulk before they sell out. And you can't get it no more. So I got this shade, which is a typical Aisha shade. It's like a pinky plum. Their packaging is kind of blah, nothing spectacular, but this is like such an Aisha shade. So I don't have this one right now, I have this one, but I just wanted to show you on my lips so you can see. I love like nude pinks. So that's the shade that I bought. It's like $7 for this lipstick. Such a steal, and I think it's like 20 something otherwise. So that was a great deal. And then I want to try the Sephora Lip Liners. I actually have this lip pencil on my lips right now. So remember I told you I have some stuff on my face from my haul. This was one of them. This is called a Rum Raisin. What do you guys think? I like it. Typical Aisha color. I tend to wear a lot of pinky plums. I also, coming up, it's coming, it ain't here yet, but fall winter, I start doing like my burgundy red lips a lot in the fall winter. I love myself in a red lip. It's funny, when I first started doing makeup way back in the day, I never thought I could do a red lip, and now I absolutely love red lips. So I always buy like every red liner from most brands just because I know I'm gonna wear a red lip at some point. And there's so many different shades of red, so if you have every single color liner of red, one of them gotta match, right? So I bought like a burgundy red and then like a true blue red. So these are all the colors that your girl bought. Oops, one dropped. There you go. And then I always buy wipes. I have the makeup eraser, and they say you could take it off with water, but it's not the same as like a actual wipe tablet. So they have like the small pack. I think the small pack is like 20 wipes. The bigger one is 40. It says 40 value pack. So I love the smell of coconuts, in case you didn't know. So I got the coconut scent. They have other scents, but I love the smell of coconut. So for the brand new pack, I love that it has another seal over here, so that way it stays dry. That. And then you guys know your girl loves brushes. So I bought some brushes. There's Sephora collection brushes. I think they're discontinuing this type of brushes because I saw like newer types that they normally didn't have. So they were on sale. So I was like, your girl loves a sale. Like, who doesn't love a sale? So I bought a whole bunch of brushes that I don't need, but it was on sale. So I needed it because it was on sale. If that makes any sense. You ever see something and you didn't even know you needed it, but because it was on sale, it was like, now I need it because it's on sale. So that was my little problem, and I had to get it because of that. But I got a foundation brush. I got a crease blending brush. I got a blush brush. I got a concealer brush. This one you really can't see because it's all the way. Let me pull that one up a little bit so you guys can see. Hold on. This was a concealer brush. And I got a eyeliner brush. That is the eyeliner brush. I use this brush for a gel liner, also to clean under my brows. So I'm not gonna open all the brushes because I want to keep them nice and packaged until I use them. But that's everything. I'm glad to be back. I know you guys missed me. I missed you guys too. Thank you guys for still staying subscribed to me and being patient. Your girl's back. My energy's back. I'm excited, as you guys can see. And I look forward to doing more videos for you guys. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Oh wait, how could I forget? I literally just turned off my camera and realized that I was missing an item that I didn't show you guys. So this is the new Sephora Ultimate Gel Eyeliners. Let me tell you something. I already have this already. I bought another one. It goes on like a butter. So pigmented, so rich. I don't have this on today. I have a different liner on. But when you wear this, let me tell you, it goes on so intense. It's like a jet black. I normally use Urban Decay, like the Legend Black liner, but this is amazing. You will love it. It's waterproof and it doesn't smudge. So I was like, let me turn back on the camera just to show you guys this because it's worth showing. Normally, if I forget to show you guys something, I'm like, whatever. But this was so great, I figured I had to tell you guys about this because it's hard to find a liner that goes on nice and smooth in the waterline, but also that stays and doesn't smudge. And this definitely does that for you. It's one of their new liners. They have a whole bunch of fun colors too, but if you don't have it, don't walk, run to get this. It's amazing. You'll thank me later. All right, bye again.